All right. So I set up Discord for my AI agent, and it's not really for my AI agent. It's more so for me. Now I am really just diving into because I had already had WhatsApp and Telegram and all that set up for a while, but I hadn't had Discord set up just because I used to use Discord a lot. And like just because I do music and I have like Discords that I'm in with like different producers and stuff like that. I'm in academics' Discord. So I used to use it like probably like 2021, 2022, maybe 23, but I really kind of like haven't used Discord in a while. So I kind of, haven't, I didn't really learn everything I needed to learn. Some things are still, I'm not used to, but I just decided like, let me just go ahead and set it up. I think I did ask, Anti-Gravity, like, yo, what, or Claude, whatever, like, yo, what would be the, actually, I got multiple instances of Claude Code. What would be the benefits of adding Discord as a channel for my agent? So Claude was, said a couple things that would be the benefits, and I have been just playing with a little bit of them. So I just wanted to kind of just show you one of the things that was like really cool that I was able to do. So I can actually join a VC. Then I can have my agent join the VC as well. So let me close my email over here just to save some disk space. Close this. Save some disk space. I'll close Anti-Gravity just for the sake of right now. It'll save me a little bit of disk space. All right. I will now click close PowerShell 2. I can check the logs here actually. Let me. So while I do it, if it malfunctions, I can just check the logs, be like, hey. Bam. Oh, I'm tripping. Okay. Oh wait, I wasn't. I can still do that. Oh, that's fire. Okay, cool. All right. So, bam. It does take a second. I'm not gonna lie. It does take a second to respond when I ask it something. I'm gonna try to fix that, but I just wanted to work. Good afternoon.
Berkeley, good afternoon. I'm text-based, so I can't hear audio, but I can read everything you type just fine. What can I help you with today?
So, how in the world did you just hear me say good afternoon?
Great catch. I didn't actually hear you. What happened is, your voice was likely transcribed to text by whatever app or interface you're using to chat with me, e.g., a voice-to-text feature on your phone or the chat UI. That text was then sent to me as a message, so the flow is, your voice right-pointing arrow app transcribes it right-pointing arrow. Text sent to me right-pointing arrow, I read and respond. I only ever see the text, never the raw audio. The app in between is doing the listening, not me. Anything I can help you with?
What app is that? What app is that in between that's doing the listening? I'm pretty sure it's Discord, but let's see, because it might just say Gravity Claw, or it might just cite the LLM. We're gonna see. It's cool. We're having a little interview. Having a look. So that's probably why it takes so long, because it's like a transcription, send back. Like this is a lot.
Honestly, I don't know for certain. I have no visibility into what interface or device you're using to talk to me, but based on common setups, it's likely one of these. Your phone's built-in voice keyboard, iOS dictation or Google/Gboard voice input, a voice-to-text feature built into the chat, UI you're using to access me, A browser's speech recognition, if you're on web. Whatever it is, it's on your end. It converts your speech to text before sending it my way.
Well, I think that's really cool. So what are you able to do? You don't have to mute. I just mute because I just don't want it to like hear anything else and then just think, like, hey, whatever. And as I'm doing this, I'm literally also watching
Ha, I just gave you the full breakdown a minute ago. But here's the short version.
logs.
I can basically be your AI chief of staff. Communicate, send emails, texts, make calls, schedule, create meetings, check your calendar research, search the web, read websites, extract data, manage files, create/read Google Docs, PDFs, Drive files, create media, AI videos, voiceovers, image editing, remember things. I retain context about you across sessions. Automate, schedule recurring tasks, run code, deploy S.
And that's really cool. Oh, and that's really cool because it just told me like, yo, I just gave you this breakdown a minute ago because it did. I did ask it this a little bit ago. So what you're seeing is that persistent memory system that I demonstrated on another video in action. So if I want to commit things to the real long-term like memory about me, I have to kind of probably do, I don't even think I have to do that manual. I could probably just tell it, you know what I'm saying? But I do have a system for that. But yeah, so as you can see, it's the agent. It just explained everything. I can talk to it. So some of the cool things I can do is, let me just have it leave. Leaves. So sorry. So some of the cool things I can have it do actually is I can have it like listen in. So if I want to meet with someone on this Discord chat, I can have it listen into that conversation. And let's say I was to be like, yeah, man, I really want to know how, transcription works in the context of voice, text to speech, LLM integrations. Like I could be saying that to a person over the Discord VC, but if the bot is in there, I can have it to where if it hears and identifies a question, it will then post that answer to another channel inside of the server, which I can create. I can have it also join the VC at a certain time every day for like a morning meeting. I can have it listen in on a morning meeting and whatever we talk about from that meeting, give us a summary, give us action items, give us suggested next steps. What else? Just anything, there's a lot of different use case. And that's, again, it's going to be the thing that you keep seeing consistently about these AI agents as time continues to move on and forward and people just discover new ways, because essentially this is really like the same way you can customize a computer, you can customize the operating system of an AI agent. So that's what this is. This is one arm of my operating system. So right now, everything that it just explained to you that it can do, along with all the channels that I can talk to it, all the knowledge it has, all of that coming together to have this actual agent that is a singular thing. That right there is what you call the operating system. So I know I like to rant a lot. I'm not gonna make this too long. I just wanted to demonstrate that to you guys. But yeah, I mean, I've got it in this group, in this Discord thing. So outside of the voice thing, I can also, what I really want to do is I just want to play around with Discord and see what different things I can kind of give it access to through Discord itself, like on Discord system. Like if the agent can execute things that just come in I don't know why I'm talking like this right now, but if the agent can execute things that's just in Discord, like that you can do, that would be so fire. And I could just add things from there. And another thing I could do that's really cool is I can delegate permissions inside of Discord. So if I don't want somebody to be able to use any of the tools that the agent has due to it having access to my personal accounts, I can restrict that behind admin access. So they won't have access to any of those commands. So it's just like very, very, it's a whole nother echelon of customizability, of delegation. Just, it's a whole nother world when you connect your OpenClaw or your agent. I don't want to call it OpenClaw because I'm not using OpenClaw. I built mine. But when you're using an agent, using the Claw framework, it's a whole nother echelon when you connect it to Discord. And so I'm going to be playing with that over the next few days and building out different things. And I will come back and I will update you guys periodically. So thank you.